Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix Snapchat director mode and not working. So in Snapchat, there's this director mode feature where you can use when you take a snap. This one's right here. So if the Snapchat's data mode isn't working on yours, there are some common troubleshooting steps to help you resolve the issue. First, you need to ensure your device is compatible. So data mode requires specific hardware and software capabilities. Other devices or outdating OS may not support it. So you need to ensure that you are running the latest version of your device's operating system, whether you are on iOS or Android. You need to also make sure that you have the updated Snapchat app, so you can just open your app store and check for updates to Snapchat. So here you can open Play Store or App Store and search for Snapchat. So if there is any update available, just tap on update. And you can also restart Snapchat first, so just force close the app. On Android, you can just open the recent apps menu and then just swipe the Snapchat off. And after that, you can just reopen Snapchat and check if the director mode is now working. You can also try to clear the Snapchat cache. So just open Snapchats and go to the settings. So click on your profile and go to settings. Here just find the account actions and find to clear the cache, and you can just restart the app and test the director mode after that. You can also check for internet connection issues. So you need to have a strong and stable Wi-Fi or cellular data connection. You can test it by opening other apps or running a speed test. And you can also try to restart your router or switch to a different network if needed. And don't forget to also enable the camera permission. So make sure Snapchat has permission to use your camera. You can go to the settings app and allow camera and microphone. And if the problem is still there, you can also just try to reinstall the Snapchat. Uninstall it first and reinstall it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Log back in and check if the issue is resolved. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.